Welcome, my dear students. Let us start our 14th lesson. Our today's topic is article writing. What is an article? An article is a piece of writing which deals with current news, topics of general or specific interest. For example, it can be a topic on health, it can be a topic on education, it can be a topic on politics, it can be a topic on general knowledge, etc. It also includes topics on research, topics on analysis of events, or topics on academic papers. Next, what is the purpose of writing articles? First, it is to express one's ideas on some issues, to share one's experience with others, to describe some place, person, or event, to argue one's point of view, whether you agree or disagree with something, to write for magazines and newspapers. While writing an article, these points should be kept in mind. First, all information should be presented in a logical manner. When you write, that means when you write your article, the material you are presenting, the ideas you are presenting, they should be in a proper sequence. There should be originality of ideas. That means you should be creative in your ideas and you should not try to copy others. Repetition should be avoided. That means that the same words used again and again, the same phrases used again and again, they should be avoided. Instead, you should use different phrases, different words to present your ideas. A good vocabulary, quotations add to the composition. That means a good usage of words, good idioms, phrases, quotations, sayings, they add to the composition. They make your article more expressive and more presentable. And you know that in your syllabus, the word limit of your article is 200 words, so you have to keep this thing in mind. Name of the writer should be given only if needed. Now let us come to the point how to write an article. First we start with title. The title should be short and to the point and it is centrally placed. And then after leaving a gap of one line towards the left, you write the writer's name. And then again, after leaving a gap of one line, you start your introductory or your opening paragraph. Usually it's one paragraph, it's usually short, and which highlights your title or which elaborates your title. You can even start, if you want to start your introductory paragraph with some saying, with some quotation, you can also do it. And then comes the body or the main paragraph, main part of your article. It can be divided into two or more paragraphs, and it includes the description, it includes cause and effect relationship, it includes advantages and disadvantages of the problem. So this is the main part of your paragraph and you write everything in your detail. Unlike a paragraph, what we learned in paragraph writing, there we have to write everything in one go, but in article writing you divide your article into different paragraphs. And then the concluding paragraph or the last paragraph, it's usually one paragraph, and it contains solution to the problem. If there is a problem you have discussed it in your main part, it contains solution to the problem. And it can also include steps taken by the authorities if there is any problem over here, and it includes steps taken by the authorities to remove that problem or to find a solution to that problem. And it also includes future descriptions, etc. Usually we say that, generally we say that articles are of two types: descriptive and argumentative. And in descriptive articles, like, you describe some person, some place or thing, and in argumentative articles you support or oppose ideas strongly. So in general we can say that article writing or articles are more descriptive in nature, more elaborative in nature as compared to paragraphs. No doubt here also the word limit is just 200 words, but still you can include so many ideas. Unlike paragraph, there you include just one main idea, but in an article you can include multiple main ideas, and thus you can elaborate your article. And this is how we write articles. Let us have a look at this example. First, we will start with title. Title is short under the point, and then with a gap of one line we will write down the name of the writer, and then again with a gap of one line we will start with the main paragraph where this point that is elaborated, and then comes the main part of your article. That's from here, that is the main particle, and you can divide it into different paragraphs. Like in the first we have said about the first reason, that is the redness of the eyes. Then comes the next point, that is dry or watery eyes. And then comes the next point, that is the pain in the eyes. It's also caused by excessive pressure and lack of sleep. And then the blurred vision or double vision, that then that time a person suffers from difficulty in focusing, and that's also happens when your eyes are tired. So this is the main part of your article, and then comes the last part, and that is the concluding part where you provide solution to the problems. And in case of this article, the solution to all the above problems is that we should give proper rest to our eyes, that we should wash them regularly with cold water, and we should also eat vitamin A enriched foods so that we can keep our eyes healthy, because they are the important organs of our body, and they are at the same time very fragile. So this is how you write an article. First you will start with the title, and then the writer's name, and then the introductory paragraph, and then the main part of the article, which you can divide into different paragraphs, and then the last part of the article, that is the concluding. It's in a single where you provide solutions or whatever suggestions you have to provide. And this was our lesson about articles, how to write articles. Thank you for today. Have a nice time. God bless you.